PhD family. I'm currently at Carmen Elementary where Fuel Up to Play 60 Ambassador Katie Garcia, she's one of ours, is here to combine exercise and eating healthy in a fun way. So let's go see what she has planned for some 4th graders.
Who attended it. I'm at the very bottom, and all those are the pictures of all the other students. There's me. So basically they had you take a picture, they would take your picture and you would go paste it from where you're from. There, we were all separated into teams. I was part of team 4. There's some of us in team 4, and
we brought this bike. The bike, we saw it at the island. How many of you went with us on the Food Expo? Okay, we saw this bike at the island, and we thought it was a nice thing to bring here, and with the help of the extension office, we got to borrow it for today. Don't throw your numbers away. One more. 109. Anybody? 109. 109.
Whenever they try to hold on to the
Yes,
blender.
I would try to do it.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Yeah.
We had a band, but we can't find it.
You got the no push?
Huh?
No?
Yes, it's over there. Sure.
Bring it over here, push it.
What should I get on?
Yes. No, no yogurt.
Excuse me.
Keep on going, keep on going.
there.
Okay, good, okay. 185.
That's a lot.
No 185, okay, good.
Start pouring. Just put all the cups there and just pour them in.
You don't have to get this.
Thank you.
Take it down.
What do you think?
If you're not in the square,
My name is Lolly Carbajal with Dairy Max and Fuel Up to Play 60. We're here at Carmen Elementary supporting our state ambassador Katie with her nutrition and presentation assignment for our national summit.
Hi, I'm Ashley Gregory. I'm the Hidalgo County Horticulture Agent, and we're here today to help Coach Gao with his garden and see where that's taking him into nutrition. And so we were able to provide him with a blender bike so the kids could try that out to make some healthy smoothies.
hi, this is Coach Gao here at Carmen Elementary. We just finished up doing our first table talks with Katie. We brought the black blender. We did some smoothies. Everybody got to participate. This was a great event to start up our table talks with Katie. She'll be joining us for a couple of more events. And again, it was an awesome event here at Carmen Elementary.
Hi, I'm Katie Garcia, and today we just did one of my table talks out of 4 of them. So I still have 3 more to go, and it went very well. On the next ones, I'm excited to try new recipes and experiment with other kids. Thank you.